My today's video is going to be all about lockdown simple Eid makeup look. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So first we'll start up with the moisturizing. Pampering your skin is very important before your makeup. So yeah, after moisturizing, I am also applying an oil to my eyelids because it is very dry for me, and you'll have to apply a lip balm. So now starts up the makeup. First, let's start up with the eye makeup. I'm filling up my brows with the help of a kajal and going to blend it and give a shape with the help of an angle brush. You can also use a powder based brow powder. And now I'm going to start up with my eyelids. I'm applying a concealer and blending it with the help of my fingers. If you want, you can use a brush nor a blender. Just to get rid of greasiness on my eyelid, I'm applying a compact. I'm going to take a Sugars palette and going to apply the contour shade to my transition shade. It's just going to give a different shade when you apply it. You have to keep on blending it as well, because if you just apply it in one place, then it's going to give a very harsh look. So keep on blending it as much as you apply. And now I'll be taking a Angel Rose palette in the shade of peachish shade. I'm going to apply this onto my outer V and will take it to my crease area. So just keep on blending as soon as you apply the color. And also the pigmentation, it depends on your patience, because the much you blend it, the much time takes, the much beautiful color it's going to turn out. So keep on blending and just stop it once you are satisfied. And for my inner corner, I'm going to use the blue shade, as I said you guys. Now this palette everyone does have, because it is very affordable, and for the beginners it is must and should. I'm using the same palette's brush to use my to apply the blue shade, and it has a little bit of shimmer. But guys, if you are a beginner, then do buy this, and this works the best if you don't have any other palettes. It is pigmented and also all the shades are shimmer. It depends on you how exactly do you use your makeup set. And guys, now I'm going to apply a kajal. So for kajal, you can apply liner, liquid liner, whatever you wish to apply. But I'm taking a gel liner and applying it, and gel liner lasts for a very longer time. Yes, it is a lockdown wala makeup look, so it does not matter for you to apply something which is very long lasting. But for your satisfaction, you can apply it. I'm just giving a very thin wing liner. If you want, you can give a bold liner too, but thin liner suits the best for my eye makeup. Okay, so now you can see my eye makeup, and now I'll be applying the same pink shade to my waterline as well as the kajal, whichever is left out in the brush. I'm going to apply the same thing. So it's not going to look very dark but very light, and as you guys can see, my eye makeup is totally done. So now let's get into the face makeup. So for the face makeup, I'm going to start up with the primer. I'm using a Hile Roda primer, which is in water based. So you can apply this onto your T-zone. And the next step is to apply a foundation, and this foundation, guys, even this is for beginners. If you are beginners, you can buy this one. I'm going to apply it with the help of a brush. You can use your fingers, or you can also use a beauty blender. So now coming to the concealer, guys, you can apply this under your eyes, nose, wherever you feel comfortable. It's just going to give a little bit of brightness on your face, and blend it with the same brush or your fingers or a beauty blender. So just blend it as neat as it can be, otherwise your face will be very cakey. So blend it. Now look at my eye and face. My eye makeup is totally done, but I'll have to apply a compact on my face. And as you guys can see, my right eye, if anything gets into my eye, this happens. Anyways, So now I'm going to apply a compact to set up my foundation properly onto its place. So I'm just going to dab it with the sponge which is received in the compact. You can also use a brush if you want. For the blush, I'm just taking the same peachish shade which I applied it on my eyelid. So I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks. I'm not going to use a mascara or a false lashes. I'm just going to curl it. And the last part of makeup is to apply a lipstick, and here I'm applying a pinkish shade. And I'm done with my makeup, guys. If you like this, do let me know in the comment section, and also like this video as well. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as I post my new videos. And thank you so much for watching.